Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we're going to talk about Iqlab. What does that mean? Iqlab is one of the four rules of Noon, Sakina, and Tanween. So here, we're talking about Noon, Sakina, and Tanween. Bear that in mind. Iqlab means it's changing a letter into another letter. So let's read what we have here. Iqlab is when the Noon, Sakina, or Tanween is changed into meme when it's followed by a ba. So let's understand this definition of Iqlab. Noon sakina or tanween. So we know noon sakina when we have the noon, when the noon has a sign on top of it, or sometimes the noon doesn't have something on top of it. And also we have tanween, like this word, sami'an. We have three types of tanween: tanween fath, tanween bil kasr, tanween bil dam. The haraka is doubled. Okay, so when we read this word min and the word sami'an, so here we hear the same exact sound an at the end of both words. So that's why we're going to deal with them as if they are a one sound. And in reality, they are an exact sound, but written in different forms. Min and sami'an. So what are we going to do? We're going to change them into meme when followed by ba. So let's look at our equation and understand what is Iqlab. Our equation is noon plus ba equals meme plus ba. So the letter that had changed here is noon or tanween. We're going to change it into meme when it's followed by ba. Let's have some examples. Sorry. Let's have some examples. An example of Iqlab with noon sakina. As our equation, we have here noon sakina is followed by ba. We're going to change it into meme. And instead of saying min ba'd, we're going to say min ba'd with gunna. Okay, so teacher, here you told us that the noon should be naked or should have a sign, this sign on top of it. Okay, you're right. But in this case, here our scholars put a meme on top of noon because to remind you that this noon is special, and we're going to change it into meme because followed by ba. So remember, when have noon and there's a meme on top of it, remember it is Iqlab. We're going to change it into ba. Don't say min bad. You go min bad. No, it becomes min bad. Let's move on to another example. An example of Iqlab with tanween. Sami'un basir. Here we have tanween on ayn and it's followed by ba. So we're going to change it into meme. Instead of saying Sami'un basir, it becomes Sami'un basir. And here, teacher, you said before that tanween when the haraka is doubled. So here we should have two dhamma, not dhamma and meme. You are smart. So I'm going to tell you. Here, we removed one dhamma and we add meme. Also, the scholars put meme instead of the second dhamma to remind you this tanween is special, and you're going to change it into meme instead of tanween. Sami'un, no, it becomes Sami'un basir. This is the Iqlab rule. This is the Iqlab rule, and now we're going to apply and the Quran and some examples. And thank you for listening today. If you have any questions, just tell me and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.